Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new video, and the video is based on informative presentation on environmental science. And today's topic is Mumbai noise pollution, decibels, data, and urban impact. In this presentation, you will understand how increasing noise levels have become a serious issue in Mumbai, its impact on people and nature, and its steps needed to control it. Now, let's see the background of the Mumbai. Mumbai is India's financial capital and one of the most densely populated cities in the world. Rapid urbanization, increased population, heavy traffic industries, and ongoing construction have significantly increased noise levels, making noise pollution a major environmental challenge. We will see Mumbai urban landscape. Mumbai's continuous infrastructure development, including roads, metro projects, and commercial areas, has increased environmental noise. Combination of dense population and urban activities creates constant exposure to high sound levels for millions of residents. Now we will see about primary noise sources. Traffic and construction are the major contributors to noise pollution in Mumbai. Vehicle engines, excessive honking, railway transport, drilling, and heavy machinery produce loud sounds that frequently exceed safe limits. Other sources of noise pollution. Factories and mills are about 90 to 110 dB every day. Industrial operations, factories, generators, festivals, weddings, and public events also contribute to noise pollution. The use of loudspeakers during celebration often causes temporary but extremely high noise levels. Let's see the health impacts due to noise pollution. Continuous exposure to excessive noise affects both physical and mental health. It can lead to hearing problems, sleep disorders, stress, high blood pressure, reduced concentration, and lower productivity, especially among children and elderly people. It also affects on wildlife and ecology. Noise pollution not only affects humans but also disturbs wildlife and natural ecosystems. Birds and marine animals rely on the sound for communication and survival, and excessive urban noise can interfere with these important activities. Urban wildlife stress. Leopards in SGNP show elevated cortisol. Urban dogs and monkeys display anxiety behaviors. Wildlife corridors degraded by traffic noise. Noise control and regulations. The Government of India introduced the noise pollution regulation and control rules in 2000 to maintain permissible noise limits. These rules regulate loudspeaker usage and allow authorities to take action against violations. Noise pollution regulation and control rule 2000. It prohibits loudspeakers after 10 p.m. Penalties for exceeding limits under Environment Act. Local authorities are empowered to enforce compliance. The challenges and barriers are despite existing laws, controlling noise pollution remains difficult due to rapid urban growth, limited monitoring systems, weak enforcement, and lack of awareness among citizens regarding responsible noise practices. Now let's see the solutions. Reducing noise pollution requires advanced technology and public participation. Real-time monitoring systems, green belts, noise barriers, better traffic management, and avoiding unnecessary honking can help create a quieter environment. Smart infrastructure, noise barriers along highways and railways, green corridors with dense tree plantations, traffic signal optimization and rerouting, low noise road or surface materials, and digital monitoring, real-time noise sensors across city zones, smart dashboards for civic authorities, LOT-based alerts for noise violations, data-driven urban planning policies. Now we see Mumbai in 2030. In 2030, the vision for Mumbai 2030 focuses on sustainable urban development, AI-based monitoring, improved planning, stricter improvement can help the city achieve lower noise pollutions. Noise barriers on railways and highways and railways corridors, AI-powered noise monitoring grades city-wide. Community and policy engagement are city noise complaint portals and awareness drives, nighttime construction bans enforced by 2030, Target is to reduce average noise to 55 dB across Mumbai. Now, the conclusion is to conclude noise pollution is a serious environmental and public health issue that requires immediate attention. Through stronger regulations, modern technology, and responsible behavior, we can work together to make Mumbai a cleaner, healthier, and quieter city. Thank you for watching my presentation. If you all like the solution, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone.